Editing your LawTog contracts is very simple. We're going to open one up in Microsoft Word. You can use any app that you have that allows you to edit. Please note that some apps may alter the formatting just slightly, so we suggest Microsoft Word as one of them that you can use. In here we have the product delivery agreement, which is currently a freebie on TheLawTog. This is laid out so that you can amend it with your business information, your client information, as well as business practices. What you'll do is find things that are bolded, bracketed, italicized that are for you to adjust. You'll also note that we have underscored areas where you fill it in. This is a blank, and you will put in what fits your business practices. So for this example, I would highlight and change the photographer's name. So let's use Rachel Brenke Photography as an example. And then you can unbold that. And then we're going to also find it again, find the same bracket, and we're going to go ahead and paste it there. If you want to use the optional provisions, you'll just delete the word optional provisions so that they don't see that. Unitalicize it and fill in the blanks. And you can actually just delete the blank and write it in, typing it. Or you can keep the blank and handwrite it in if you were signing it, if this was going to be altered many times. So hopefully this helps you. Have a great day.